Elevate your Sony A1 footage to cinematic heights by unlocking the power of LUTs. First, let's get your LUTs onto the camera. Power on your Sony A1 and navigate to the main menu. From the menu, find and select Picture Profile Settings. Within Picture Profile Settings, scroll down until you find the Import Export option and select it. Now, choose Import LUT. This is where we'll bring your custom color looks into the camera. Ensure you have your chosen LUT file saved on a compatible memory card or USB storage device. The camera will then allow you to browse and select the LUT file you wish to import. Select your LUT and confirm the import process. Once imported, your LUT will appear in the list of available LUTs within the picture profile settings. To apply a LUT, create a new picture profile or select an existing one, then go to the LUT selection setting within that profile and choose the LUT you just imported. You'll see the effect of the LUT applied in real time on your live view screen, giving you immediate visual feedback. You can also apply LUTs using the camera's creative look functionality for direct application to your photos and videos as you shoot. Access creative look through the menu, and within its settings, you can select your imported LUT to achieve your desired aesthetic. This process grants you immense creative control, allowing you to achieve specific visual styles and cinematic looks directly in camera, streamlining your editing workflow and enhancing your creative freedom with your Sony A1.